Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn very smart shortcuts to increase productivity of office work. Here month, country and sales data are given. For example, in January USA sales are 6000, in Feb Germany sales are 9000 and so on. And I want to display this data in readable format and apply some formatting. How can we perform this task with shortcut? Just press Ctrl T. It will display the create table dialog box and just click OK. Now data are in readable formats. And I want to show here total and here total sales. How can we perform this task with shortcut? Just press Ctrl Shift T. It will display total and show the total sales. If I select the average, it will display the average sales. If I select the count, it will display the total shipments. If I click maximum, it will display the maximum sales. If I click minimum, it will display the minimum sales. If I click sum, it will display the total sales. Total sales are 1,15,000. Now I want to show sales in chart format in this sheet. Just press Alt F1. It will display sales in chart format. You can see here. These are three very smart shortcuts which increase your productivity in office environment. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.